we go. Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Hope you're all doing well. Today we're here with another video. If it is somebody who loves pasta or spaghetti, this is your video. So we're going to be making chicken Alfredo. Very delicious chicken Alfredo. So these are ingredients you need for this recipe. Okay, we're gonna get our ingredient ready as usual. So I have medium onion here. I'm just gonna chop it. That's our onion ready. Mushroom, 6 mushroom, just chop it. If you don't like mushroom, but mushroom is really good, it gives you really nice flavor. If you don't like mushroom, you can skip it. The mushroom is nice, guys. Now I'm just gonna grab our garlic. I'm using 1 garlic here. If you're in need of this, it makes life easy for garlic. See, it's all done. Life easy. That's it. Yeah, so this is our chicken. I've washed it and then I'm just gonna cut it. You can use chicken breast, but I'm using mini chicken breast, so I'm just gonna cut it into pieces. I want to cut myself. That's our chicken. It's done now. So I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Just season it with salt and pepper. Salt, adding some salt. So just mix it all together. Salt and pepper. In our saucepan, I'm just gonna put some oil to fry a chicken. So here's our chicken. Ooh. We're just gonna fry a chicken until it's brown, until it's soft and brown. So our chicken is getting brown now, you can see. So we boil our water. We can add a bit of salt. We're gonna add our parsley nut. So we're gonna put our timer for 10 minutes for our pasta. 10 minutes. So our chicken is brown now, so we take it off from the saucepan. Just put a bit of oil and then add a bit of unsalted butter. We're gonna add our onion. and fry it till it's a little bit soft, and then we're gonna add our mushroom in there. And then we're gonna add our mushroom. So our mushroom there, guys, if you don't like mushroom, you can put a little bit. You don't have to put a lot, because I love mushroom, so I have to put quite a bit, you know. Yeah. And we're gonna add our garlic. Let's stir it for a bit. So we're gonna add 1.5 cream. So this is half one. And then we're gonna add half cup of milk, skimmed milk. And then I'm gonna add 1/4 of cheese. So 1/4 of cheese. And just let everything simmer together. So our pasta is almost ready for 10 minutes now. I season it with salt and pepper again. And then we're gonna add our chicken back to the sauce. Just stir everything together. At this point, you can taste your salt. If the salt is not enough, then you just add a bit more. We're just going to drain our pasta. We're going to add our pasta in. Stir everything together. The smell is so delicious. Delicious smell. Oof. Alright guys, our chicken Alfredo is ready. It's time to serve and taste. Time to serve. Ooh. So yummy. Here we go. Time to taste, guys. Taste the chicken Alfredo. Get some chicken. First one goes to you guys. The first goes to you guys. Like this, guys. The first one goes to you. This is so delicious. This is delicious, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're gonna try this recipe, don't forget to let us know, and then let us know how you went on with it. And thanks for watching again. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.